Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are from at the moment. I hope you've had a lovely extended weekend and we're all ready for the stock market open tomorrow. But we're talking about Idex. Now, this stock is, a lot of people hate this stock for the simple fact that it follows hype sectors. So if EV is doing well and is hyped up, they'll go and invest in EV. If crypto is doing well and hyped up, they'll invest in crypto, so on and so forth. But you can look at this stock as a jack of all trades, master of none, which I agree to a certain extent, but I also think that's rather unfair. For example, they did a partnership and they invested in a company called Wave Technology. Now, Wave Technology is in the EV thing, and basically it's a charging play. So you know, the car, like your electric vehicle, drives over the car, charges, boom, you're off you go. So this company is well founded. It's got a good basis. It's got a good business model. As you can see, it's now entering an uptrend. It bottomed out here. It bottomed out, when was that? In March 2020. And now it's just on a constant uptrend. You look at it, it's trending up and it's starting to break out. I think I've been waiting for a sell-off on this because I think 5, to maximise your profit, you want it to get in just under 5. It's now dropped to 460. So, price point, I think this is really, really good. It's slightly longer hold that we may normally bring to you on this channel. As in, I think you're going to have to wait on, 30 days maybe, about a month. But I think within 30 days, it can easily go from $7 to $11 due to the fact that they are investing in companies. I wouldn't be surprised if they came out and showed that they had moved into and done a partnership with Mara and companies of that sense. So it's just come across. I've got a price target of it between $7 and $11. So as soon as it dips, I'm buying more and we're going to go, because as we can see here, this company does max out and it has hit $6. It's held at $5.50. So even so, what's that? That's held at $5.50 for a good couple of months. So that's already $1 profit per share. It's got strong, don't get me wrong, it has fallen here, but it has got resistance. But again, the trend going up at the moment. They also invest, they've got good partnerships in the eco-friendly sector. So again, we've got EV, but it's kind of energy power, electric tractors, everything. And with Joe Biden's new impetus on environmentally friendly goods, I can only ever see this stock going up. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this stock touch $10. But again, my price target for this would be between $7 and $11. And yeah, I just think it's a must buy. So I'm going to be entering into this. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Take everything I say with a pinch of salt and make sure you do your own due diligence. We have hit a couple on the head on this channel, so I can't say much more, but don't fully follow our advice without doing your own research and without doing your own due diligence. But we have had winners in Sens and Sundial. And yeah, that brings me on to the next point of Sens. So we talked about it earlier on the channel, and this here is now got so Sens is in this market early. The reason why Sens is starting to run up is to do with its upcoming FDA approval, because at the moment their technology for the glucose thing is their gadgets only last 90 days. And their current FDA approval is to bring it up to 180 days. However, this whole sector now is now getting big kind of traction, and other big companies. So there's a company called Dextero. They are now entering into this market, but Sens have got in there first. So Dextero are trying to enter in, but they've still got to go through FDA approval. They've got to go through the process of it. They need to get the funding for it. There are countless things they need to do. And this I can only see as testing gets better. This will become more and more popular, because keeping track of your diabetes on a daily basis, especially if you're a very active person, is challenging. And I think they've tapped into an untapped market. And again, I can easily see this stock doubling within the next, I don't know, however long you want it to be. As you can see here, FDA approval, and FDA approval for them has been halted at the moment because of COVID. However, they reckon it's going to be again like March time is when I believe this is going to be going through. So again, you don't have to invest, potentially wait for a dip, but I think $4 at the moment is a very, very good deal. So yeah, these are just a couple of stocks that I've been properly looking into and doing the research for you guys. So again, do your own due diligence. All stocks are battlefields. We can only help you fight them. We can't fight them for you. So remember, guys, do your due diligence. Wait for the dip. It has been Josh from Armada Trading. And yeah, have a good week trading this week. And I'll speak to you later. Take care.